Goat farming is becoming one of the most popular livestock businesses in many parts of the world today. In many rural communities, goats play a very important role in supporting families and improving livelihoods. They provide meat, milk, manure for crops, and a reliable source of income. Because goats are hardy animals and can survive in difficult environments, many people believe goat farming is easy and requires very little knowledge. However, the truth is that successful goat farming requires understanding, planning, patience, and proper management. Many beginners start goat farming with excitement. They buy a few goats and expect the animals to multiply quickly and bring profit in a short time. But after some time, many of them become disappointed because they encounter problems they were not prepared for. Some goats fall sick, others grow slowly, and sometimes the market is not as profitable as they expected. These challenges often happen because the farmer did not take time to learn the important principles of goat farming before starting. The good news is that goat farming can become a very profitable and sustainable business when it is done correctly. Farmers who understand how to care for their animals, manage their farms properly, and plan their production carefully often succeed and expand their operations over time. Goat farming has helped many farmers move from small backyard projects to large commercial businesses that support their families and communities. In this video, we are going to discuss 10 important things every person should know before starting goat farming. These principles are the foundation of a successful goat farming business. Whether you want to raise goats for meat production, milk production, breeding purposes, or simply as an additional source of income, understanding these key points will help you avoid costly mistakes and build a strong and productive goat farm. Let us begin with one of the most important decisions every goat farmer must make, which is choosing the right breed of goats. Choosing the right goat breed is the first step toward a successful goat farming operation. Not all goats are the same, and different breeds are suited for different purposes. Some goats are raised mainly for meat production, others are known for milk production, and some are kept for breeding and improving herd genetics. For farmers who want to focus on meat production, selecting a breed that grows quickly and develops a large body size is very important. These goats are preferred in meat markets because they produce more meat and reach market weight faster. Faster growth means the farmer can sell the goats earlier and recover their investment sooner. On the other hand, dairy goats are selected for their ability to produce large quantities of milk. These goats require good feeding and proper management in order to maintain high milk production. Farmers who want to sell milk or produce dairy products such as cheese and yogurt often choose dairy breeds. There are also goats that are kept mainly for breeding purposes. These goats are selected because they have strong genetics, good body structure, and the ability to produce healthy offspring. Farmers who specialize in breeding often sell young goats to other farmers who want to improve their herds. Another very important factor when choosing a breed is adaptability to the local environment. Some breeds perform very well in hot and dry climates, while others do better in cooler environments. A farmer should always choose goats that are already known to perform well in the local climate. This helps reduce stress on the animals and improves their productivity. Talking to experienced farmers in your area can be very helpful when selecting your first goats. Local farmers understand which breeds perform best under local conditions and which ones are most profitable in the market. Once the right breed has been selected, the next important thing to consider is proper housing for the goats. Housing plays a major role in the health and productivity of goats. Even though goats are hardy animals, they still need a clean, dry, and comfortable place to live. Good housing protects goats from rain, wind, extreme heat, and other harsh weather conditions. One important thing to remember is that goats do not like wet environments. If goats are forced to stay in damp or muddy areas for long periods, they can easily develop diseases such as pneumonia or foot problems. That is why goat houses should always be built in a dry location with proper drainage. A good goat shelter should also have proper ventilation. Fresh air circulation helps keep the environment healthy and reduces the risk of disease. Poor ventilation can lead to the buildup of moisture and harmful gases that may affect the health of the animals. Cleanliness is another important aspect of goat housing. The shelter should be easy to clean so that manure and waste can be removed regularly. Keeping the environment clean helps prevent parasites and disease outbreaks. Farmers should also make sure that goats have enough space in their housing area. Overcrowding can cause stress among the animals and may lead to fighting and injuries. It also increases the risk of disease spreading quickly within the herd. Providing proper housing may require some investment in the beginning, but it helps ensure that goats remain healthy and productive for a long time. Another very important aspect of goat farming is feeding and nutrition. Feeding plays a major role in determining how well goats grow and perform. Healthy goats require a balanced diet that provides enough nutrients to support growth, reproduction, and overall health. Goats are natural browsers, which means they prefer eating leaves, shrubs, vines, and small plants rather than only grass. This natural behavior allows goats to survive in environments where other livestock may struggle to find enough food. However, relying only on natural grazing may not always be enough. During dry seasons, pasture may become scarce, and goats may not get the nutrients they need for proper growth. In such situations, farmers may need to provide supplementary feeds such as hay, crop residues, or formulated feeds. Mineral supplements are also very important for goats. Minerals help support strong bones, improve reproductive performance, and strengthen the immune system. Lack of minerals can lead to poor growth, weak animals, and reproductive problems. Clean drinking water is another essential requirement for goats. Goats should always have access to fresh and clean water. Water helps maintain digestion, regulate body temperature, and support overall health. Farmers who understand proper feeding practices often see faster growth, better reproduction, and stronger animals on their farms. In addition to feeding and housing, understanding goat behavior is also very important for successful goat farming. Goats are social animals that prefer living in groups. They feel safer and more comfortable when they are surrounded by other goats. Keeping a goat alone can cause stress and loneliness, which may negatively affect its health and productivity. Goats are also naturally curious animals. They enjoy exploring their surroundings and often climb on objects such as rocks, logs, or raised platforms. This behavior is part of their nature and helps keep them active. Because goats are active animals, they need enough space to move around freely. Providing space for movement and exploration helps reduce boredom and stress. Understanding goat behavior also helps farmers handle their animals more effectively. Farmers who observe their goats regularly can quickly notice changes in behavior that may indicate health problems. Speaking of health, disease prevention is another critical aspect of goat farming. Healthy goats are the foundation of a successful goat farming business. When goats are healthy, they grow faster, reproduce better, and produce higher quality meat or milk. The best way to manage diseases is through prevention. Maintaining clean housing, providing good nutrition, and ensuring proper sanitation can greatly reduce the risk of disease. Vaccination programs are also important for protecting goats from common diseases. Farmers should follow recommended vaccination schedules to ensure their goats remain protected. Regular observation of goats is also very important. Farmers should watch for signs such as loss of appetite, unusual behavior, coughing, or weakness. Early detection of disease allows farmers to take action before the problem spreads to the rest of the herd. Working with a veterinarian can also help farmers manage herd health more effectively and prevent major losses. Another key factor in goat farming success is proper breeding and reproduction management. Goats are known for their ability to reproduce relatively quickly compared to many other livestock animals. This makes them ideal for farmers who want to expand their herds over time. Female goats usually reach breeding age within their first year of life. Once bred, the pregnancy period for goats is about 5 months. After giving birth, a healthy doe can produce one or more kids. Proper breeding management helps farmers improve the quality of their herds. Farmers should always choose strong and healthy animals for breeding in order to produce healthy offspring. Pregnant goats also require special care. They need good nutrition and a calm environment to ensure a safe pregnancy and healthy birth. After birth, young goats should be monitored closely to ensure they receive enough milk and grow properly. Another often overlooked aspect of goat farming is record keeping. Keeping records helps farmers track the performance of their goat farm. Important records include breeding dates, birth records, vaccination schedules, feeding costs, and sales. These records help farmers understand what is working well and what needs improvement. For example, breeding records help farmers know when goats are expected to give birth. Financial records also help farmers determine whether the farm is profitable. Even simple record books can make a big difference in managing a goat farm effectively. Understanding the goat market is another important factor before starting goat farming. Farmers should know where and how they will sell their goats or goat products. Goats can be sold for meat, breeding, or milk production. Demand for goats often increases during holidays, festivals, and special occasions when many people prefer goat meat. Understanding the market helps farmers plan their production and sell their goats at the right time for better profits. Finally, one of the most important things every goat farmer must understand is patience and long-term commitment. Goat farming is not a get-rich-quick business. Building a successful goat farm takes time, dedication, and consistent management. Farmers must be willing to learn from experience and continuously improve their farming practices. Over time, as the herd grows and management improves, goat farming can become a reliable and profitable business. Many successful goat farmers today started with only a few goats. Through patience, hard work, and proper management, they were able to expand their farms and build thriving businesses. In conclusion, goat farming offers many opportunities for farmers who are willing to invest time in learning and managing their animals properly. By understanding important aspects such as breed selection, housing, feeding, health management, breeding, record keeping, and marketing, farmers can build strong foundations for success. With patience, dedication, and proper planning, goat farming can grow from a small beginning into a sustainable business that provides income, food security, and long-term prosperity. And that is what everyone should know before starting goat farming. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, subscribe, share, and comment. And don't forget to click the video on the screen now to learn more about goats.